Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Coding Bootcamp Career Development Channel. I'm your virtual career coach, Ramone Smith, certified digital career strategist. And what I want to cover today is how to apply for a job in this video. So, one of the things that I've learned in my years as a coding bootcamp career coach is one of the things we teach is how to apply for a job. But one of the things I'm understanding is that a lot of people do not know how to apply for jobs appropriately or to use the latest technology to apply for jobs, such as AI and ChatGPT. So I'm going to do a quick video on how you apply for a job. So let's share my screen. Let's jump right in, and I'm going to share my screen, and I'm going to, for example, go to Indeed. So let's say you're a front end software developer and you're looking at this job right here. Modi, remote position, 90K to 105K. You would first look at the job description. So here's the job description. Here are the main responsibilities. Here are the hard requirements. So the first thing you're going to do, I'm going to stop sharing my screen and I'm going to show you a resume template. So this is a skill-based resume template. This is very effective for using particularly if you're graduating from a coding boot camp or you're a industry changer, a career changer, leaving one industry to go into the tech industry. I like this template because it only highlights basically your skill set, your ability to perform the job, your knowledge of what to do with the technology and how to use it. So, and then it goes later on, it goes into your experience. So, first, obviously, your name and contact information. This is where you will put your email address, a phone number where you can be reached, your LinkedIn profile, which we'll cover in another video, and your GitHub, a link to your GitHub profile. Again, we'll cover in another video, and and those are the ways you can be reached. Next, you want to put in your professional summary, the relevant skills, then you get to your experience, and then your education and certifications. So let's say that I want to put in a professional summary for for the previous front end developer slash software engineer role that we just looked at. So I would do this. I'm going to stop sharing and I'm going to go back to that job description, but I'm also going to go to my chat GPT. So this is my chat GPT. So what I'm doing basically, actually, let me reshare and actually show you guys this. So I'm going to go back to the job description. And I'm going to go to the job description and I'm going to highlight and copy the job description, which are the main duties, responsibilities, and the hard requirements. Now I'm going to go to my chat GPT and I'm going to ask it to create a professional summary for the following front end developer software engineer job description. Put your little dash there, paste the job description. And here is the professional summary. Now, this is a little long, but let's check it out. Dedicated, highly skilled front end software engineer, proven track record of crafting web applications, proficient in web technologies, including HTML. Yeah. So the goal is to have those keywords and attributes already embedded in the job description. So what I would do, obviously, I'd proofread this and probably edit it a little bit, but I would take, say, this section because that's sufficient. I'm going to reshare my screen and go back to the uh, template. And I would basically paste that job description here. Now, obviously, I have to match it up. So basically, I would match it up and make sure everything is correct. Obviously, you want everything to be uniform, preferably in Times New Roman font 11. But basically, that's how I would do it. And then I would take, for the relevant skills section, I would take these keywords here: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, front end reactive framework, React, Vue, Angular, and Svelte, Redux, and Vue. Basically, those keywords, and I place them here in the relevant skills. And quite frankly, the professional summary and the relevant skills sections are, in my humble opinion, my humble professional opinion, are the most important sections of the resume. So I will place those there. Then I'd fill out the rest, the experience, and then obviously your education, which would be whatever boot camp you're graduating from, and then the certification, which obviously would be front end developer, software engineer. So that's how I would do that. And then basically, I would also create a cover letter by doing the same thing. So let me reshare, and I'm going to go to a blank page. Here we go. And actually, let me go back to ChatGPT, folks. Actually, I'm going to go back to the job description. So to create the cover letter, again, I would highlight and copy the job description. And then I'd go to my ChatGPT and I'd ask it to based off the following job description. Then your little dash. So create a cover letter for a front end developer slash software engineer based off the following job description. Paste. Let it do its work. And here it is. I'm writing to express my strong interest in the front end developer, software engineer position, name of the company. The opportunity to join your team and contribute to your dynamic projects aligns perfectly with my background, skills, and passion for creating exceptional web experiences. And then basically, I take this, copy it. Let me stop sharing and go to a blank um, Google Doc or Word doc. Paste it. Create a normal text, and then just begin editing it from here. Again, Times New Roman 11 font. So, and one more thing I'd like to share using AI and particularly ChatGPT to to apply for jobs, designing your uh, resume and your cover letter. So I'd like to share this with you guys. I'll put this uh, in the information section of this video, and this is called Heration. So it's powered by ChatGPT and AI. It's a career platform. And what you would do is you would go to create resume, hit the plus, and start the process of creating a resume. The only caveat with this one is that it is subscription based. So, however, you can get the first 3 or 4 resumes for free. And then after that, if you want to subscribe, then that's your prerogative to subscribe. So that's my video for uh, how to apply for jobs, how to design a resume, how to design a cover letter using AI and ChatGPT. It quickens the process for you and thus enabling you to apply to more jobs in a shorter period of time. Feel free to reach out to me at the email and the information, or check out my other career development content that's also in the information in this video. Thanks, and I look forward to seeing you guys again.